definition of an air conditioner, its job is to take the humidity out of the air, thereby making it feel cooler. If you are having a humidity problem in your house, that either means A, the system is not sized properly. If your system is not sized properly, the system is going to constantly run and never decrease the humidity, which can also lead to future damages of the system itself or higher electrical bills. So call Minuteman Heating and Air Conditioning and we will evaluate the system to make sure that everything is working properly and you don't have any of these problems.